We are out in the open, beautiful skies. We are on the new platform blast system that you guys may or may not have seen some videos on by now. This is an open platform design. Right now we're standing on a 12-foot by 12-foot open platform here. We have all of our goodies below us, all the pumping system, our air system, our control panels. This is an incredible machine for large parts, something we've been waiting for a long time. Basically, what we have taken what we do in a cabinet form and we've opened it up into this platform. So this is a very awesome solution for larger industrial customers or someone like a body shop who's removing paint, prepping panels every day. Some of the shots we're going to show you today are some panels of different materials, bumpers, spoilers, fenders, different materials here. We have aluminum, ABS plastic, another ABS plastic. There's a fiberglass piece we're going to shoot as well. But we've just blasted all of these parts in the platform system. And it's a remarkable, quick, easy process. You will need boots, rubber boots, of course, and some sort of rain pants or bibs. You're going to use this. I started out blasting with a jacket as well, but come to find out you actually don't need a jacket. It would be better to have a face shield when you're doing this. It's much more safe. I was not getting hurt, but the abrasive is flying around. But again, it's all getting encapsulated and trapped with the water. So you could see there was no dust cloud coming from this. If we were dry blasting right now, you wouldn't have been able to have seen in the video, period. So that's a huge benefit. So you don't need your exhaust systems. You don't need your breathing systems, your respirators and all that. This really helps take away all of those pains. For those who are looking to prep different materials, large items, industrial customers, the Platform Blast is a great tool for your business to increase your profits and to speed you up and to save you a ton of time and make you a lot of money. So if you guys have questions, call the sales team, shoot them an email. They're always here and they're happy to help. Thanks for watching.